Everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In this video I will explain you about how you can enable the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme 9 Pro Plus. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the video. So you already have one WhatsApp in your device, but you want to download another WhatsApp. You can say the dual WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp. You can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can download a second WhatsApp in your device Realme 9 Pro Plus. Let's watch the video.